Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be talking to you about the best VPNs for iPad and the things you should look out for or know about before you get one. Apple's iPads are way ahead of the curve as far as security, and as a tech reviewer, dare I say, even as far as tablets go. However, when it comes to accessing the internet, you still need to secure your data or secure the data you send and receive because, and I'm sure you know, your internet service provider or your ISP can in fact know what you're browsing. But with a VPN, this is not the case. If you want a list of the best VPNs for iPad, a long list, keep in mind that these VPNs will also work on your iPhone and your iMac. VPN.com has created a huge database with over 900 VPN providers, and you can simply click the first link in the description below to access it. Without further ado, let's get to this video. First off, why should you use a VPN for your iPad? I'll start by explaining what a VPN is.
A VPN or virtual private network lets you create a secure connection to another network via the internet. A VPN is a tool. It's usually an app that you have installed on your computer, that is your laptop or PC or Mac or your smartphone. Once installed, a VPN does a couple of things. Firstly, it changes your location, or in more technical terms, your IP address. This way, if someone is trying to hack you or figure out your location, they won't have anything to pinpoint the location of your device. And what they'll have or what they'll see is the location that you have chosen on the VPN. This way, you get to access websites that are restricted to that said region. You also get to stay protected from people who may try to steal your information if you're on a public Wi-Fi connection.
The first VPN we'll talk about for the iPad is NordVPN. And again, as I mentioned, these VPNs work well for the iPhone and even the Mac ecosystem. NordVPN features blazing fast and secure connections with varying security protocols. It blocks you from malware and even blocks ads. In addition to protecting your IP address, it works with your favorite apps, websites, and entertainment content. Simply forget about censorship or bandwidth limits when you pay for a subscription. And you get to save 70% off when you go long term for 2 years. Luckily, you can grab a risk-free 30-day free trial when you click the link in the description below. NordVPN works on multiple devices and they offer 24-hour customer support as well. At number 2, we'll be looking at ExpressVPN. They offer ultra-reliable speeds and security. In addition to protecting your data online, they also offer password protection as well as identity protection online. With a subscription to ExpressVPN and the previously mentioned VPN, you can in fact stream Netflix with no hassles, and of course, they offer reliable customer support. The third VPN I'll be talking about is Encrypt.me. This VPN works for you as an individual, it works for your family, and it takes it a step further and can even support teams of over 5,000 people using your VPN. Yes, they have over 130 servers in 31 countries, and you can feel free to try it for 14 days with no credit card. Encrypt.me makes it to the third on this list with 24-hour, 7 days all year monitoring. It's a very good VPN too. At number 4, we have CyberGhost, one of the most reviewed VPNs on this list via Trustpilot. Over 9,000 reviews. A lot of the features you have on here, you get pretty much on the other VPNs I mentioned. It works with Netflix, BBC, iPlayer, and more. Their servers are optimized for torrenting, and they of course keep no logs. The last but not least, at number 5, we've got IPVanish. The major selling point for this VPN is that you have access to over 40,000 shared IP addresses for anonymity when you're browsing on the internet. Unlimited bandwidth and fast servers are also included. In addition to all of the aforementioned, they also have a money back guarantee in case you don't like the service. Many iPad VPNs were already scaled for iOS and can scale up to iPad size, so they mostly work, and some of these are natively made for the iPad, whilst some also have a Mac client. Again, for a list of these VPNs, you can simply click the first link in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, and as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to get a list of the best VPNs for iPad, a longer list, and as a special offer today, save viewers like you a bunch of money, grab a 30-day risk-free trial to the #1 best VPN for iPad by clicking the first link in the description of this video. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the very next video.